Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use first-time Netflix step by step. Create an account by entering your email and a strong password, then choose a plan and add a payment method. Download the app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV, sign in, and complete your profile. Use the profile settings to set parental controls, language preferences, and playback options for the best watching experience. Choosing the right Netflix plan is simple and flexible. Look at price, number of simultaneous streams, and video quality to decide. Enter your payment details to start watching, and remember, you can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time from account settings. If you share with family, set up individual profiles to keep recommendations personalized. Keep an eye on data usage if you have a limited internet plan to avoid surprises. If you're enjoying this walkthrough, please subscribe and like the video to help me make more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: I keep an Oala water bottle nearby while binge watching to stay hydrated and comfy during long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one for yourself. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Open the Netflix app, sign in, and choose your profile to see tailored suggestions right away. Use the search bar to find specific titles or browse curated rows like trending and new releases for inspiration. Tap the download icon to save movies or episodes for offline viewing and manage downloads in settings if storage runs low. Adjust playback settings and subtitles to suit your preferences for a comfortable viewing session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.